Hello, today this presentation is going about the blockchain of the UK's financial system. Blockchain has become a major part of our society. There is also border increases cyber attacks on the UK's financial system. The presentation focused on the evolution of importance of blockchain enhancing cybersecurity in the UK's financial system. The presentation is gonna the major context of the evolution of the blockchain technology enhancing the entire system of the cybersecurity in the UK financial system. In this slide, we're going to talk about the financial system of the UK. The UK financial system has considered one of the largest in the world. It comprehenses bank, insurance companies, and capital market, and the fintech firms address globally. It also acts the institution maintaining transparency, stability, protection as charges of regulations, different services. The system contributes the economic growth of global trade. UK financial system has global power and the major financial center. It serves both foreign companies with the variation of the regulation with the certainty. In this slide, we're going to talk about the importance of cybersecurity. First of all, cybersecurity mainly protect against the branches with the financial information, unauthorized access, and frauds. It's also guaranteed with the secure options of the online banking and the most of the financial operations. Highly security leads the customer confidence, investor trust, and the trust algorithm. It also helps to avoid financial losses and at the same time safeguard and the sensitive professional and cooperative data. It's the recent time of the digital era. Financial is also about the cybersecurity as the most of the transformation are becoming digitally and the secret of the sensitive data, importance of insurance, stable and ensure the finance operations. It protects that core financial system against cyber attacks like malware, pollution, and attacks. The comprehensive with the regulation demands that institutions be considered highly cybersecurity compliant. Cybersecurity helps with the business countries and lessen acquired disturbances. In this slide, we're going to talk about the importance of the blockchain technology. Blockchain is considered to be a declaration data and transaction management system which is a secure Vijay Kumar 2023. It mainly across the integration of the data along with the incorporated and temporary storage record. The technology also enhances openness and lessens the chains of fraud both at the same time. It enhances efficiency and automating activities that detecting as the use of interventions. The simplification of blockchain technology in the comprehensive digital access and system lies with the fact that embrace security, transparency, and efficiency. Ensure that it is not overreliant and central authority, and it is also less prone and manipulating of the data. In this slide, we're going to talk about the blockchain technology in terms of the enhancing the cybersecurity of the UK's financial system. Blockchain provides safe and secure records of transactions in the UK financial system. It declaration design lessen the risk and centralize the database branches. Unchangeable records, elements, unauthorized alternates, and financial records. It greater reduce of blockchain can also promote a secure identify system in the UK's financial system. It minimizes the reliance of the central database of identities of the cybersecurity. The user have access of personal and financial control. It reduces identify thieves and unauthorized access risk the financial system. Cyber theft related of identify are the risk of the UK financial system. Blockchain also increase the security system. Blockchain also increase the because of allowance many identify that in a declaration way, which can use safely managed by their considerations. The minimizes massive database branches and identify the thieves. Smart control and automated control that rely with the specific and secure conditions. They also human mistakes and away that middleman and financial operative. The blockchain network, the blockchain network is used the transaction that transport to the secure manners. It enhances efficiency of the operative and enhance the cybersecurity controls. Blockchain personal smart controls which automatically transactions, opens meeting and conditions. These lessons that amount of the manual interviews and possible across the UK financial sectors. The disturbance of network architecture increase the reliance of a system with the blockchain. It removes science point of the failure in financial infrastructure. Now we move to the next slide, that is conclusion. As per the key of context, blockchain is a major part of the cybersecurity. It can lead a better operational strategy in the UK's financial system. The actor is having a better opportunity terms of digital reform in the newly future. As per the evolution, it can be aspect that can recent time. There is a major requirement for the blockchain in terms of managing the operative of cybersecurity of the UK's financial system. That reflections and feedback. There were a certain issue with the entire subsections. I was not aware of the different aspect of the topic. This was the main issue in the provide submission. The key issue within the provision submission have been emphasized above. This is the term that help to meet the key context of the concerned assessment and as a whole. Now we're moving on the next slide, that is the references from where I collect my all the datas, and you can see this is that from where I can the sites wherever I can collect my datas. And thank you so much for giving me your time, and this is my all presentation about the blockchain.